We will now start with the first period of the chapter, Parts and Wholes. As discussed in the previous session, we will be implementing the zero investment innovative idea of learning with empty wrappers. The innovation in this idea is to use the waste empty wrappers to impart conceptual knowledge and enhance linguistic skills. This technique will help in making teaching more effective, as the process of learning will be activity-based. Activity-based learning enhances class participation and also improves understanding among students. In this period, we will aim to deliver the explanation for the following to the students. Process of estimating the degree of closeness of a fraction to known fractions. Way of expressing a fraction in decimal notations. Now, before we begin with the period, we will need to make some pre-arrangements for the activities that will be conducted. We will have to ask the students to bring an empty wrapper of any food item of 1 kilogram from home. We will have to inform students about this at least one day before we schedule this period. Now, we will initiate the class by asking the students to take out the empty wrappers that they have brought from home. We will inform them that they have to prepare a sample price list of a grocery bill. We will also inform them that they have to work in pairs with their partners. Next, we will make a table as shown on the board and ask the students to copy it in their notebooks. Once all this is done, we will take up an inquiry-based approach to elicit answers from the students. So, we will ask the following questions from each pair of students to estimate fractions. Which wrapper have you brought? Students will respond depending upon the wrapper they have brought. Accept their responses. Ask the students to complete their tables as well as they respond. Now ask them, what is the price of the item per kilogram? Allow the students to respond. Now, specifically ask student 1, what will be the price of 2.5 kilograms of this item? Accept his or her response. Then specifically ask student 2, what will be the price of 1.25 kilogram of this item? Students will respond either by multiplying the fractions or by doing repetitive addition. Now, finally ask both of them, what is the total amount you both will have to pay collectively? Students will respond by adding the two numbers. Accept their responses. We will have to repeat this activity with every pair. We will have to ensure that we give students enough time after every question to solve the problems and don't rush it. After the activity has been completed, inform the students that this is how we can deal with problems related to fractional numbers in real life. Summarize to the students that now we will work in groups to prepare such bills. So, with the help of this zero investment innovative idea of learning with empty wrappers, we were able to deliver a very important mathematical concept to the students. We will now conclude it here and take the period forward in the next session.